Class 7. Now we are going to discuss with speed. What is speed? What is speed? That is the we can understand that how fast an object can move. Okay, so we are here. What is when we are calculating the speed, what are the important thing we need to remember, or what are the physical quantity that we need to check? That is distance. Which distance the object is covering and in how much time it is covering. Which distance it is covering and how much time it is covering. So what is the definition of speed? The speed is, it can be defined as the distance traveled by it or any object in unit time. Okay, so what is the formula to find out distance or speed? The speed equals to distance traveled by time taken. Okay, S equals to D by T. D by T, D for distance and T for time taken. Okay, so if there are two objects, suppose one Toto is there and one auto is there. Okay, in 5 minutes, suppose the Toto can cover 2 kilometer and the auto can cover 3 kilometer. So which object having higher speed? You can understand that Toto is taking same time, auto is taking same time, but what is happening? The speed depends on which thing? It depends on the distance traveled. Okay, so here Toto is taking 2 kilometer. Toto is taking 2 kilometers. See, Toto is taking 2 kilometer or it is traveling, and auto is traveling 3 kilometer, but time is same, 5 kilometer, sorry 5 minute. So speed of Toto will be 2 by 5, time is same. Okay, and speed of auto will be 3 by 5. So which one is having the greater speed? That is auto. So it is directly proportional with the distance. Speed directly proportional with the distance. Okay. Now you need to remember something, that is, if you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, what you have to do? We have to multiply with 5 by 18. Remember it. If you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. And if you have to do the reverse thing, that means you have to find out meter per second into kilometer per hour, what you have to do? You have to multiply with 18 by 5. We have to multiply with 18 by 5. Now comparing speed. What is the meaning of comparing speed? That I did in this example. That is the comparison of speed. So it is directly proportional to the distance and inversely proportional to the time taking by the object. Now let us check the example that are given in your book. What is given? A boy starts from home, goes to a shop which is 2 kilometers away, buys things and comes back in an hour. What is the speed with which he travels? Okay, very easy. So distance covered by the boy from his home to the shop is 2 kilometers. Now he is going and returning back. So 2 kilometers plus 2 kilometers, 4 kilometers is the total distance, and time taken by him is 1 hour. So what is the formula? Speed equals to distance by time. So distance covered is 4 kilometers and time taken is 1 hour. So speed is 4 kilometers per hour. Next question. A girl runs along a circular track. This is a circular track of radius 5 meter. The radius is 5 meter. Starting from point A, from this point. What will be the distance traveled by her and speed if she comes back to the initial position in 300 seconds? So first do the first one. If it is traveling the whole distance. That means it is traveling the circumference of the circle. So what is the formula of circumference? That is 2 pi r. R is the radius, that is given 5. That is given 5 meter. So 2 into 3.14 as a value of pi and 5. So we are getting 31.4. Time is given 300 seconds. So speed equals to distance by time, that is 31.4 by 300. So the answer is 0.1046 meter per second. What was the second question? Second question was, if she stops halfway at B in 400 seconds. Halfway means in this position. So you have to find out what the half of the circumference, that is 31.4 divided by 2. The answer will be 15.7. So here the time is 400 seconds. So speed will be 15.7 divided by 400. So this is 0.039 meter per second. So thank you class. Go through the rest of the solved example.